Can we recover WhatsApp end-to-end encryption password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can recover our end-to-end encryption password of WhatsApp if we ever forget it. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So whenever you're on your WhatsApp and your end-to-end encryption is turned on, and if you ever forget about it, this is what you do. Head over to the settings, and after you're on your settings, you will see different options. What you'll need to do is head over to chats. Under chats, you should see an option called chat backup. Head over there. Now if you scroll down, you'll find your end-to-end encryption. Now I have not set it on yet because I want to show you guys something. So head over to end-to-end encrypted backup, and after you're there, you will see your encryption. Now whenever you turn this on, your encryption will get turned on and no one will be able to access your backup, not even WhatsApp or Apple. So as it says right here that if you ever forget about it, so let me tap on turn on, and as you see right here under this warning message sign, you will see if you ever forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you recover your backup. Now what this means is that whenever you protect your end-to-end encrypted backup, you will create a password, and if you forget it, you will never be able to recover it. So that is what it basically means, and yeah, that is basically it. You cannot recover your end-to-end encrypted password if you ever forget it. So I hope this answers your question, guys, and yeah, make sure that you remember your password. That is all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.